There they go. Rented out the tractor and the trailer. Uh-oh. Forgot to do the seat belt. Hang on. Hold up. I'll get the seat belt across the seat there. I forgot the seat belt on the seat.
Take care of it. Hey, do we need a pin up here? Or is that
Oh.
It's got the lock, I know, but should we...
Oh shit, there's no pin. Yeah, I got one. Yeah, I can't let them leave without a pin. Slipped my mind. Should always check your gear. Truck's probably locked. I normally got one laying out, but where in the fuck is it? Oh, here. Oh, let's use this one. Oh. That should work.
Right behind you.
Oh, think they can get any closer? Jesus.
Thanks, fella.
Yep, take it easy. Come on. Ford Explorer. Pulling the trailer and the tractor. See how she looks. Oh, that ain't bad. That'll work out just fine. Could have went forward a little more, but... Alright, boys, come on. Let's go get ready for the hot day with Mama. We'll play cards with Dan and Robin.